Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, September the 5th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have some exciting news to share with you. We're about to make a big purchase. More about that on today's live, but we're also going to talk about the usual things, what we've been up to, my mother, of course, and news about our election up here in Canada that happens on September the 20th, and how the platforms of the people who are running for office don't seem to reflect the real life situation we're going through right now. So we'll talk a little bit more about that as well, and yeah, lots of other things too. Oh, and we're going to talk about another piece of exciting news. I have lots of exciting news today about an upcoming event, which you probably already know about if you've been watching the latest issue of So Chatty. But anyways, lots to talk about today. Really excited. This is a busy day for Walter and I today too as well. We'll talk about that. So that's today, Sunday, September the 5th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Stephen and Walter Live, and I hope you can join us then. See you then. Bye-bye.